Hey you guys, it's Vijaya and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you my recipe for dairy-free butter chicken. It is totally possible, people. I'm so happy to share that this video is in partnership with Becel. Becel challenged me to swap out the butter in this recipe for their new plant-based bricks, which taste like butter but are completely dairy-free and have 25% less saturated fat than butter, which is a complete win. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're loving the videos. And of course, if you're looking for the full recipe, all you have to do is click the info box under this video and everything you need is there. Let's make some dairy-free butter chicken, people. The very first thing I'm gonna do is marinate my chicken. So I have some chicken thighs here that I've cut up into bite-sized pieces. And we're gonna season them up with a squeeze of lemon juice and some spices. So I'm going in with some garam masala, some cayenne chili powder for heat, citrusy coriander powder, as well as beautiful golden turmeric, and a touch of salt. And we're gonna mix that up until it's nice and coated and marinate it in the fridge for a minimum of 1 hour to overnight. My chicken is good to go, and now I'm going to slice off a piece of the Becel Plant Based Bricks and put it in a large frying pan on medium-high heat. We're gonna let it melt and sizzle and get nice and hot. Next, I'm gonna lower in my chicken, making sure not to crowd the pan, and brown it for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Now to make our creamy butter chicken gravy. To the same frying pan, I'm going to add in some strained tomato sauce, as well as a big chunk of Becel plant-based bricks. To season things up, I'm going to add cayenne chili powder for heat, some garam masala, a little bit of sugar to balance things out, as well as a nice big pinch of salt. My secret ingredient for this butter chicken gravy is kasuri methi, also known as dried fenugreek leaves, which are going to add an amazing flavor. I'm gonna cook this mixture down until it thickens. That'll take about 15 to 20 minutes, and until the fat starts to collect around the edges of the tomatoes. While the tomatoes are cooking away, we're gonna create the cream for our dreamy, creamy butter chicken. And my secret ingredient for this are raw cashews that we're going to blend up with a little bit of water. We're just gonna blend, blend, blend until they get nice and creamy. I'm going to pour in my cashew cream into our cooked down tomatoes and swirl away until a blush orange curry forms. In goes my cooked chicken. We're gonna cook this all together for 5 minutes until the flavors meld together. Off the heat, I'm gonna garnish with a little extra cashew cream, as well as a nice big pinch of kasuri methi to garnish. And just like that, our dairy-free butter chicken is done. All right, you guys, it is time for the moment of truth, and that is the big taste. I've been waiting for this. Oh my gosh, it looks like butter chicken. It smells like butter chicken. It looks creamy like butter chicken. Let's go. Oh my gosh, it's so good. You guys, if you didn't tell me that this was a dairy-free butter chicken, I would never know. This is an exact dupe for the original. It's creamy, it's unctuous, it's absolutely delicious, and that's thanks to the Becel plant-based bricks. And these bricks are fantastic. You can cook and bake with them like butter. And you know, if you're on a dairy-free diet or trying to lead more of a plant-based diet, then these are perfect for you. Dairy-free butter chicken, who would have ever thought, but it's absolutely sensational. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give me a big ol' thumbs up. You know how that makes me feel. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe for more videos. And as always, if you have a question, comment, concern, request, or anything you want to get off your mind, leave it in the comments box down below. Until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye.